How to deposit funds to Foxify. First up, you want to connect your wallet. You select the wallet that you have, in my case, Rebi. Once you have connected your wallet, you'll have an option to deposit here, and you can do it by clicking on your wallet and then clicking on deposit funds to start trading, which is what I'll do. This will take you to the deposit page, and right here, it will show you how many USDC are in your wallet. In my case, I deposited 500, and remember, these are now in my wallet. They are not yet on Foxify to trade with. So what I'll do is I do want them to go into Foxify. I'll type the 500 in, or you can choose whichever of the sizings you like. I'm going 100%, then approve. Of course, you'll need to approve a message in your wallet. Just sign it. And after you've approved the asset, then we can deposit for real. So just wait a second or two until the deposit button comes up. Click it, and this will indeed put the money onto your Foxify address. So just verify everything is correct. Just sign, confirm. You can see the available balance in my wallet is now 0. But if I go back to my portfolio, it already showed a minute ago. There you have it, $500 to be traded with.